Hey friends, if you wish to fix component F20 DLL not correctly registered on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the first solution. Search for Microsoft C++ distributable package on any browser and then go to the first option. Now scroll down to the x64 link. If you have an x64 computer, which is common these days, and if you have a 32-bit computer, then use the x86 link. But I will use the x64 one because I have a 64-bit computer. Then simply click on open and wait. And then click on repair if you get this option, or install if you get that option. Okay. This is one solution. The other one, which also works well, is an SFC scan. Because see, a missing DLL file is the issue. Okay. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.